What does AI plus OI equal? Welcome to the Stack Money with AI challenge. Find out.
Okay, let's go. Okay, let's go.
AI Allen here to welcome you to the replays for Stack Money with AI. You might have heard this online in many different places, and you've always thought to yourself, well, if I could just get some extra training, if I could just get a little bit of insider information that would be able to bring my business to the next level, if I could just figure out how to do intro videos or video editing in general, that would help me to be able to produce a high quality podcast. These are just a few of the things that are addressed in the destination that you can accomplish by buying the replays below for the Stack Money with AI challenge. It was a massive event with 14 sessions with two millionaires who spoke at it, Michelle O'Neill and Coach K. And for Michelle O'Neill, she covered how to layer levels of revenue, and she talked about the trust economy and how AI is a vital part of that. But even more, the few things that are even more important than AI. So this is something you don't want to miss from the people who have already made it, the people who have already succeeded. There was a database that was shared to get you access to millions of leads all over the United States. And it doesn't even cost anything. It's absolutely free to access it. If you were to buy a list of 1,000 leads, they would be chalky, they would be questionable. But these leads are curated and they're accurate and they're much more higher quality caliber leads, all at your fingertips by different genres. And we give you the key for that. If you are struggling finding leads, then that alone is a reason to buy the replays that are below. So you want to scroll down and see the cost below. And that is a very affordable cost. And it is by design trying to not to have any friction, to not have any, make it a no-brainer to invest in yourself, invest in your business, and get access to over 21 hours of content that is going to get to the point, provide the skills that you need. You learn about Claude, you learn about 10 plus different types, probably 20 types of AI programs. And we are sometimes putting new content in there as well, which you'll still get access to in the future. So it's like the gift that keeps on giving. Let me share my screen and give you a little taste here. Okay, so here's what it's going to look like after you make your payment. And you're going to scroll down and you're going to access your replays. And we do have a free community in school that can go even deeper with all of the community that you need, the aspects of growing close to each other, praying for each other daily, and also giving prayer requests, getting devotionals, and AI training. It's a great place to be with coffee hour every week. We have it in the morning. So make sure you get in touch with that, with our success managers. So basically, Ernest. And so basically what we want to do is show you a little sneak peek here. Day one, session one, I covered scaling AI technologies, like 10 of them. And these are technologies that you can use for your business overnight. They're not as expensive as you think. They're very affordable. And some of them don't cost anything. And then we've got day two, we've got the 4 quadrants of human intelligence. We've got some more AI products from Paul Pona that can create like unlimited B-roll. So if you've ever had a YouTube channel or a podcast, you wanted to take it to the next level and create some interesting scenes that kind of punch home the idea of what you're trying to talk about, this session right here is great for that. And then the princess of AI, Tiffany Pillow, she talks about Claude and how to use Claude with skills. And then we've got Forever Money that her partner Tony Wade talks about how to invest to make your money make money forever, basically, and 10 options for that. Then here's the big headliner: Michelle O'Neill, multimillionaire, 8-figure earner, rose from being a regular Kansas girl with no money, with a calculator, going to the grocery store. Within 3 years, she was a millionaire, an 8-figure millionaire. Within 17 months, she made her first million. And with just 6 months, she made 6 figures in 6 months. That's crazy. And she talks about what is the trust economy and how to layer multiple layers of revenue, which is so important. Reverend Daryl talks about music and how important that can be for your brain, help your business grow even better. David Andrews comes back again on day 2 to talk about the 9 different intelligences to understand your business customers even better. And we've got more and more. And here's our other millionaire, Coach K, talks about grants. She's the grant expert. So you even have a link here where you can join her community. This is big. Get to go even deeper into her mentorship, and it's so affordable to join that. And you get the wisdom you need. Talked about AI voice agents with LJ Hanna and LJH Enterprises. We had our Australian engineer, AI engineer, Candy, and she does lifelike AI avatars. You can't even tell they're AI. This is the database I was talking about by David Kuczynski, a professional salesperson and bookkeeper. He just pulls back the curtain, give you access to more than you ever thought was possible. How to kill your AI agents, and that's it. There's a free community if you scroll down to the bottom called Legacy Blueprint Now that we can get you into the flow even more with questions and answers and go deeper on many different things. So if you have any questions at this point, you can call our AI voice agent. Her name is Beth. Her number is in the bottom corner here. It's 402, area code 402 869 6694. Again, that's 402 869 6694. And Stack Money with AI is proudly on the Nobility TV network, which is the website right above me, nobilitytvnetwork.com. So it can be purchased there as well at nobilitytvnetwork.com. And we hope you check that out because it's full of family friendly entertainment. And it is a place where you can distribute your own television show where we're crowdfunding and seeing what would be family friendly, amazing, positive, encouraging content that's safe for the kids so you don't have horror movies scaring your children, nightmares, and stuff like that. But you have curated, wonderful programs that will change your world and be safe for your kids. We have an animated show called Goo Goo on there that is absolutely adorable. So, yes, Stack Money with AI is proudly on nobilitytvnetwork.com, as you can see right here. The replays are on there. They can be purchased. And here are some of the main headliners, the Titans of Nobility that are on here: Coach K, Justin Burns, Nehemiah Davis, Explore Omaha, the Business Engine podcast, and Stack Money with AI are the main programs. And we have more programs that are being added all the time. And here's Goo Goo, which is great for kids. So we have all these that are for like grown-ups to go deeper in your faith, the Christian faith, as well as learn AI technology like with Justin Burns, and also Union Life for prayer and Step Up to Life for leading people to Jesus. Endless Worship is exactly what it sounds like. It's nonstop praise and worship there in that channel. Here's some more speaker treasury things, and here's Gugu, which is super adorable. Like, I just think this is the coolest thing that I've seen in a long time. That
La la la.
roar.
Let's roar. It's soft and quiet. Let's try again. Roar. I can do better. Get ready for a big roar.
This is gonna be good.
Let's try now. I did it! I did it! I did it! It was great!
Wow!
Thank you! Big roar! Roar! Bye bye! The end.
There you go. Many options there for Nobility TV, and there are placeholders there at the bottom of the screen below that for potential crowdfunding for other great TV shows that could be funded by individuals like yourself and make a difference in the world. So thank you again for considering. If you're stuck and you are wanting a path that's economical to skip all the hurt and the pain of wasting money and believing that a business can work when you just need a path that's already been walked, we can help you with that. Imagine watching one or two videos, getting the strategy you need, getting the wisdom that you need, and you implement it, and you're making thousands of dollars as a result. You're going on that vacation you've always wanted to, and your business is running itself because you've set up AI technology to help with the automations, to help with editing, with the other things that your business is, you need. A business that does not adopt AI is destined to fail within probably 3 to 5 years, because AI is not going anywhere. Just like when the internet came, the internet is still here. AI is the newest iteration of the internet. It is not going away. So don't become a dinosaur, and don't be left out, because AI is not going to necessarily replace a lot of people. What's going to be replaced is going to be people who don't adopt AI, who don't learn AI, who don't understand AI. Those people will be replaced, and I don't want you being one of those people. So no pressure. I hope this video was very encouraging for you and provided a path to see such extraordinary value. And we continue to try to add even more value as time goes on. So it's a simple purchase, a one-time payment only, and it's yours. You get lifetime access. So congratulations for considering the best investment you'll ever do in your whole life, in my opinion, for purchasing the replays for the Stack Money with AI Challenge. God bless. What does AI plus OI equal? Happen to the Stack Money with AI Challenge to find out.
Okay, let's go.